You can see it here. I chose that color because it's coordinates well with the brick house, and then the foundation color brown that's there, and as well as the stairs, and the blue stone, which is the floor on the porch. But that outside corner was really good. I'm so glad they had that outside corner. You can see there, it really turned out perfect. And it goes behind the shrubs there. The wall, really can't see it that well, but it extends like 8 feet down, plus this area I'm showing you here. And it was fairly easy to install. It's a great product. I'm very, very happy with it.